Well, hi there pluckers, Arvosaur Fingers again with you with a bit of a quick lesson on a song called 26 by a band called Caamp. That's C-A-A-M-P. I know I've got quite a few fans of Caamp songs on my site, okay. So I heard this one the other day and I thought, oh, I'll do a quick rundown on it. I'm not going to sing it for you because it's very repetitive as far as the chords are concerned, so I'll just show you the various chord sequences and you should be up and running with it in no time. Okay, standard tuning, no capos needed. I'm playing it in the same key as the original recording. Okay, and it starts off with a D chord. Okay, so the sequence of the chords is D, G, D, A, B minor, bar chord 2nd fret, G, D, A. Okay, so and occasionally they sit on the A for a bit longer and suspend it up with the pinky going to the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, A sus4. Every so often that one, they elongate that chord at the end of the sequence. Okay, so just to refresh again, D, G, you can either straightforward that or a 4-fingered G if you want, D, so D, G, D, A, B minor, 2nd fret bar chord, minor shape, G, D, A. And so occasionally, about every 3 or 4 times around, it stays on the A, and then goes up to A suspended 4, back to the A, and then into another sequence of chords again. Okay, but that's the only chords in the song as far as I can see. The only thing, other thing you might like to do is the little banjo riff. If you've got another 2nd guitarist, we haven't got a banjo player, so very simple. Okay, I'm playing up on the 15th and the 14th fret, so the 2nd string, B string on the 15th fret and the 14th fret of the top E string, and I'm just going 2nd string, 1st string back to the 2nd string. Okay, 2nd string, 1st string, alright. Then do the same thing, but this time put another finger, I'm using my 3rd finger, up on the 15th fret of the top E string. So you do the same thing again, but with the 15th fret of the top E string and the 15th fret of the 2nd string. Okay. And then do the first one again, and then do this shape. That's the 14th fret of the 2nd string and the 12th fret of the 1st string. Again, it's just the 2nd string and the 1st string and back to the 2nd string. So slowly. Okay, so that's a reasonably good representation of what the banjo is playing. Okay, if you've got another guitarist. So there you have it. It's dead simple. Thanks very much for watching and listening. Hopefully that'll help you play 26 by Caamp. Bye for now. See you in the next